Hi friends, I'm Nakeshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. You are watching Microsoft Office Excel 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use ceiling and floor functions in Excel 2007. Excel floor function rounds a given number down to the nearest multiple of a specified significance, whereas ceiling function rounds a given number up to the nearest specified multiple. Open Excel 2007. Here I have prepared some data showing number and significance, and I want to find the nearest multiple based on given significance. For this I will use both floor and ceiling functions. Select a cell and type equal to floor. Here we will get two arguments. Number, select the number that should be rounded. Significance, select the multiple to use when rounding. I'm selecting 10 as number, comma 3 as significance, close the bracket, press enter. Then this formula return a value of 9 because 9 is the largest multiple of 3 between 0 and 10. So it is rounded down to nearest 3 multiple, that is 9. Similarly, to find the multiple of what, come to ceiling, type equal to ceiling, again select number and significance, close the bracket, enter. Then it will return 12 since 12 is the next multiple of 3, but notice that it is larger than 10 number. Let's apply this to all the values in this table. For that, click and drag from the bottom right corner. Now let's find the ratio equal to 12 divided by 3. Now it is not giving the decimal points. We can also use a combination of floor function and an if statement. Here I have another example. We got net amount with the different decimals, so this may cause problems in finding some calculations. So to round this, select a cell and type first part of the combination formula equal to floor. Select a number, add comma. In significance I'm entering 1, close the bracket, enter. Then it simply get rid of decimals and round it down to 10. Again click and drag from bottom right corner, and the net amount is rounded down to specific number. And if you want to round them based on certain significance, let's type second part, select a cell equal to, type if. In this please type ceiling, select the number, add comma, 1 close the bracket, minus open bracket, E2 close the bracket, less than 0.5 comma 0.97 comma 0.47, close the bracket and press enter. Again click and drag from bottom right corner. Note that if the cents are less than 50, they are rounded down to 47 cents, otherwise rounded them to 97 cents. After this, let's use the combination. Type equal to floor, add number comma 1. After this, please add plus sign in between first floor function and if statement. And press enter. Then the formula adds the two results together and gives the result of $10.97. Let's apply this to all cells. Those cents less than 50 in net amount, they are rounded down to 47 cents. Remaining rounded them to 97 cents. Like this, we can use ceiling and floor functions in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video to your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.